Okay, I think I've saved the best for last, or at least what I think it is. And this is just an extension to what we've been doing. And the main purpose of this code is to capture the output of the print stack trace method on the exception object, so then we can have a pop-up JOption pane come up. To accomplish this, we need to import these two packages, the Java IO print writer and the import Java IO string writer. These are objects within the IO package, and of course we need the javax.swing so we can do some GUI components. And what we do here in the main is we just throw an exception. The only reason I'm doing this is just so I can trigger the exception down here. Normally you wouldn't do anything like this, but this is just to show you. And what we do is we instantiate the string writer, and I call it SW object, and we do that by the new keyword, and we call its constructor. Then we instantiate the print writer object, and we call it PW object, and we instantiate it again by calling its constructor, and we're linking it to the string writer. And then what we do is we say ePrintStackTrace, which we know that method, but we're passing in the printer writer, so instead of showing it to the screen, we capture into a variable. Anyone who's taken a Unix class with me know this is redirection. And then down here we have a pop-up box, we put the null, and I put on a message saying an error has occurred, new line. We get the message, which will be this right here, and then we do two new lines, and the following will tell you the type of error message, and what line number, and two double new lines right here. And then we ask the string writer object to do the two strings. So basically we capture the output and we put it up to the screen, and let's run it. And there you go. And what I'm going to do is put this message over here so we can compare. Here's an error that has occurred, and this is, we take the message right here. So if this was a legitimate exception, see how we're capturing any exception, we could put it right there. Okay? And that message, whatever message would go there, and this is the following will tell you the type, this is the type, and it will give you the error message, which is here, and more importantly it will tell you where the code is. So this is invaluable. This little piece of code from here, let me highlight, from here to here, you could use in all your programs going forward to handle any exception that Java could possibly throw at you. That's a runtime exception. And if you'd like, you can always leave my little, I guess, my reference here, but I don't think you would. All right.